Meteorologist Andrew Stutzky here on this Friday morning with a quick forecast update. Continuing the heat and humidity across the area yesterday, not quite making it to 90, but we did hit 88. But more impressive was the rainfall we have now picked up for the month so far, looking at over 3 inches, which is just slightly above average. But the scary thing is we could potentially double this number over the next couple of days, and I'll show you why here with the precipitation map that I have behind me here. This is the heavy rainfall threat that we're going to be experiencing not only tonight, but also into Saturday morning. This is a map that we call precipitable water. And basically what this map shows us is if we get a thunderstorm, especially anywhere where you see this red shading, the thunderstorm that develops in that area, if it wrings out all the moisture in the atmosphere, is capable of putting down over 2 inches or more of rainfall with just that one storm. So kind of get that scenario in your mind, but what could possibly happen is we get a line of storms, not only one of them, but several that move over this exact location at the same time and just keep repeating themselves. So you can only imagine the heavy rainfall that can fall from those. Could be looking for the potential for possibly 3, 4+ inches of rainfall over the next couple of days. And on top of the heavy rainfall potential, we also have the potential for some severe weather. Notice tonight, though, that the elevated risk is to the north of the area. So I think the higher damaging wind threat will stay to the north of us, but I can't rule out an isolated stronger storm getting into our neck of the woods, getting some damaging winds, perhaps up to 70 miles per hour. Now for Saturday, we'll repeat that same scenario, all of us within that slight risk category, thinking again damaging winds and some heavy rainfall will be our biggest threats going here on forward. We're back in the cooker this afternoon, though. 88 degrees expected for a high, a little bit warmer to the south and to the west for those of you around Prophetstown. Maybe closer to 90 by this afternoon. It will be humid. Heat indexes up to 98. And don't forget, we have that heat advisory going until 8 o'clock this evening. Slight chance of a storm, but again, those storms likely to work in later on tonight after 7 or 8 o'clock. And the extended forecast finally showing some improvement. Notice we're cooler on Sunday, but Saturday still looking quite hot, up to 91. We'll jump back down into the 80s by Monday, low 80s with plenty of sunshine. We'll wipe out the humidity as well and keep that humidity at bay before it decides to come back at about Wednesday or so, and we'll introduce chances for showers and storms along with temperatures heading on up into the upper 80s. Don't forget, you can download the free Sauk Valley Weather app via the Android store or the Apple iStore. That is totally free.